you're experiencing low performance on your Nintendo Switch, there are several steps you can take to improve its functionality. Follow these steps to enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Close background applications. Make sure to close any applications running in the background. Press the Home button, highlight the game or app you want to close, and then press the X button to exit. Step 2. Update system software. Check for any available system updates. Go to System Settings, select System, and then choose System Update. Keeping your software up to date can improve performance and fix bugs. Step 3. Free up storage space. Ensure that your console has enough free storage space. Go to System Settings, select Data Management, and check your available space. Delete any unused games or data to free up space. Step 4. Adjust display settings. Lower the display settings for games that allow it. Some games have options for reducing graphical fidelity, which can help improve performance during gameplay. Step 5. Restart your console. If performance issues persist, try restarting your Nintendo Switch. Hold down the power button for a few seconds, select power options, and then choose Restart. This can clear temporary glitches and improve performance. By following these steps, you should notice an improvement in your Nintendo Switch's performance. Enjoy your gaming.